Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a number from iPhone. First, open your Contacts app. Find the contact you want to remove and tap on their name. Then, tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see Delete Contact in red. Tap that and confirm your choice when prompted. This permanently removes the contact from your device. While iPhones don't offer a direct way to delete multiple contacts simultaneously within the native Contacts app, there are workarounds. You can manage your contacts through iCloud on a computer, where bulk deletion is possible. Alternatively, several reputable third-party apps available on the App Store specialize in organizing and deleting multiple contacts at once. Always ensure you back up your contacts before using such tools. To remove a number from your call history, open the phone app and tap Recents at the bottom. Tap Edit in the top right corner. A red minus icon will appear next to each entry. Tap the minus icon next to the number you wish to delete, then tap Delete. If you want to clear your entire call history, tap Clear in the top left, then clear all recents to remove everything. Finally, let's look at managing blocked numbers. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap Phone. From there, select Blocked Contacts. You'll see a list of all numbers you've blocked. To remove a number from this list, tap Edit in the top right, then the red minus icon next to the number, and finally unblock. This allows the number to contact you again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.